Good air. We need it for well-being, health and performance. AIRI is a world first that ensures we're surrounded by good air. AIRI is a unique internationally patented air cleansing system that uses the detoxification potential of houseplants. The problem. Indoors, the pollution caused by toxins contained in furniture, paint, plastic or cleaning fluids is often much higher than that found on a busy road. These toxins can be responsible for symptoms ranging from tiredness, headaches, discomfort, right up to an increased risk of cancer. The problem was that I had an allergic reaction to cleaning fluids used indoors. So 10 years ago, I began the search for a solution to this problem. The idea comes from space travel, where the use of plants to clean air has been researched for decades. The result, up to 90% of the air is purified by the roots. Normally, however, these roots are covered up. All it needed was just a plant pot that ventilates the roots. And from this simple idea, a whole range of prototypes was created that ultimately led to this pot. With AIRI, the air enters the pot through slats and is then sucked past the roots thanks to the chimney effect. In this way, the roots absorb environmental toxins significantly more quickly, transforming them into usable nutrients and emitting fresh oxygen. Like this, one plant in the AIRI can replace up to 8 plants in regular pots, and all completely naturally, without electricity, noise, or filters. Its efficiency has been scientifically confirmed. For better air, at home, in public rooms, or in the office. AIRI.
I love spending